From what?
I can't be sure between November till now.
We'll get back to you. What we need for this presentation is basically for you guys to have a visual look of the equipment that's being used.
So typically, flight data recorders are affixed with a underwater locator beacon, or ULB for short. And how this works is when it's submerged underwater, it will emit an acoustic signal of 37.5 kilohertz at every 1 second's interval. So what we do to pick up this signal is we have this device called a hydrophone. Right, so we'll submerge the hydrophone underwater and rotate it 360 degrees. We have another operator on a small boat to listen out for the detected signal. And through a process called triangulation, we will estimate a location where it's a high probability. We will explain a bit more.
Put two batches because this batch has part number of people. Yeah.
You can hold the question. We're just going to explain what that equipment is.